China has achieved comprehensive control over Hong Kong, turning it from chaos to governance. Chinese President Xi Jinping said in a speech on Sunday at the opening of once in 5-year Communist Party Congress in Beijing. He further added that China is now determined to achieve the same in Taiwan. Xi Jinping said that China has also waged a major struggle against Taiwan's separatism and is determined to able to oppose territorial integrity. He vowed a major struggle against separatism and interference in Taiwan. Xi also hailed his Communist Party's rule at the major leadership meeting at which he is expected to be handed a historic third term in power. China reserves the right to use force over Taiwan as a last resort in compelling circumstances, though peaceful reunification is its first choice, a Communist Party spokesman had said on Saturday. Reunification of China and Taiwan meets the interests of all, including Taiwan compatriots, Sun Yeli told a news conference in Beijing. Tensions between Beijing and Taiwan had soared in August after a high-profile visit by US House Speaker Nancy Pelosi to Taipei amid continuous threats by China against such a step. Following the visit, China conducted unprecedented military exercises around Taiwan's water and airspace, which included a rehearsal for a full blockade of the island nation, triggering vocal condemnation from the US. China, which considers Taiwan a part of its territory under its One China policy, has not ruled out a military solution to the issue of Taiwan's reunification with China. Xi also hailed his Communist Party's rule at the major leadership meeting. The 20th National Congress of the Communist Party of China is a very important congress convened at a critical moment when the whole party and the people of all ethnic groups are embarking on a new journey of comprehensively building a modernized socialist country and marching towards the second centenary goal, he told the delegates at Beijing's Great Hall of the People. Xi added that China had put the people and their lives first when dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic. He said that China had protected people's safety and health to the highest degree and achieved significant positive results in coordinating epidemic prevention and control and social and economic development.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.